Sapphire RX 5700 XT Nitro Plus from AMD is arguably the best GPU for mining considering the budget. It is the first 7nm chip based GPU from AMD based on RDNA1 architecture. For details about generation of GPU, go through the blog link provided in the description below. At present, RX 6800 XT Nitro Plus GPU based on RDNA2 architecture is the best GPU from AMD, but it is overpriced. Now, considering the hash rate, there is not much difference between the RX 5700 XT and RX 6800 XT. On ETHAS algorithm, mining Ethereum, RX 5700 XT hashes around 55 megahash per second with BIOS mode, and RX 6800 XT hashes around 60 megahash per second. So it is wise to buy RX 5700 XT than RX 6800 XT. Only major advantage of 6800 XT is that it is of 16 GB memory. In regard to price, I purchased 5700 XT in December 2000 when price was around rupees 42,500 or $574. Price of RX 6800 XT was almost double, that is rupees 80,000 or $1081. At present, GPUs are overly priced. RX 5700 XT is priced above 1 lakh rupees, so it is not advisable to buy GPUs for mining now. Smart miners purchase GPUs when crypto market is down. Now let us take a look at the GPU. It is well packed and well protected. So let's open it and see what we have got. So you can see here it is smartly designed for maximum cooling, and it has got 3 fans. It is the Nitro Plus model. It has got 2 8-pin ports. The BIOS switch has got 3 modes. The RGB glow is very stunning. I will put up a video of 5700 XT in Nitro glow.